I've smuggled a bomb on board. A bomb of talent! The world's first in-flight stand-up performer! Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present the comedy stylings of a dog who can't stop shitting!
Hi, everyone. It's really great to be here tonight. That's shit. Oh, man. Oh,
Smells like comedy!
It's not stopping. It's can't stop shitting. Oh, God.
Let it out!
First class, you smelling that?
Shut that dog up.
I think I'm done. Oh, no. I'm not done. God damn it.
My great experiment was a success!
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, very good.